Robert Hooke discovered the cell. When he first looked, he couldn't really tell. The term cell is still used today. Things are composed of these, people might say. Your cells have DNA, they make your genes. And through transcription, genes code for proteins. All animals, plants and protists too, are made of cells with different jobs to do. Prokaryotes contain internal membranes. Eukaryotes contain several. Isn't that insane? What structures do plant cells have that animals do not? This is what many scientists call
insane in the membrane. Keep my chemicals maintained. Waste products in and out of the membrane. These microscopic cells are keeping us well and keeping us alive 24/7, 365.
Let's go, Chad. Chad Izzle.
Woo! This rap ain't about guns, drugs, or robberies. It's about cells. The subject ain't a democracy. We got Robert Hooke, first mastermind at work, observing the course. Only discover he found the first cell. This dude's so brilliant, might think he cast a spell. But don't forget, kids, this ain't a magic show. So don't be jumping out your seats, cause the scientists got unlimited flow. So let's go study cells. Consisting nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm, ribosome, these few things call themselves a whole.
Insane in the membrane. Keep my chemicals maintained. Waste products in and out of the membrane. These microscopic cells are keeping us well and keeping us alive 24/7, 365.
The living cell has many parts, and you must know each one by heart. First, the nucleus, control center of the cell. It contains genetic info, the central organelle. Hey, look there, it's a ribosome. It produces lots of proteins and it functions alone. It makes most of the cell's proteins. They are found throughout the cell. Many are unseen. What's that clear fluid in the cell? Oh, the cytoplasm, another organelle. It holds all the organelles in place, like the planet suspended in midair in space. Mitochondria is the next I choose. It makes energy for the cell to use. It's the powerhouse that makes all the food. It gives the cell energy which allows it to move. Golgi apparatus is the next to come. It looks like a chewed up piece of 5 gum. It sorts, modifies, and packages protein cells. Then the protein is shipped off throughout the cell.
Insane in the membrane. Keep my chemicals maintained. Waste products in and out of the membrane. These microscopic cells are keeping us well and keeping us alive 24/7, 365.
These rhymes are so precise that it's relevant to cell theory, a fundamental concept. 3 steps to make the vision blurry. Don't scurry, let me preach it to you. For one, living things are all composed of cells. Cells are a basic unit structure and function. I got precise on scales. And don't forget, new cells are produced from existing cells. This cell theory was completed without making on nails. They go by the name of Rudolf Virchow. Don't ask me how he came up with these conclusions. It's so scientific it might make you think I was Newton. Now listen closely, because I work moving to DNA with important biologist A, because Avery is Canadian and that's what they say. Discovering nucleic DNA stores as well as transmits genetic info, so from one generation to the next, I'll be ready for anything because it can be intense.
Insane in the membrane.
Keep my chemicals maintained.
Waste products in and out
Of the membrane.
These microscopic cells
Are keeping us well
and keeping us alive
24/7, 365. No,
I know, see Bizzle Chad.
JB, you know me.
K-Money.
Code.
Go!
Code.
Thank you, Miss Cart. Love you. Much love.
Robert Hooke discovered the cell. When he first looked, he couldn't really tell. The term cell is still used today. All living things are composed of these, people might say. That part's gay.
Alright, Cody, your turn.
No.
Right here. This rap ain't about spell. But don't forget, kids, this ain't a magic show, so don't be jumping out your seats, cause it got wrong song.
Hold on, just
Fast forward it.
That was
Man.
perfect.
That was awesome.
That's a good
You're
blooper.
alright, tell me when you're fully ready.
And don't forget, new cells are persistent, blah blah blah. Existing cells. These rhymes are so precise, it's relevant to cell theory.
Insane.
The membrane.
I forgot my
Insane in the membrane, keep my chemicals maintained.
What the heck?